heart of Sallaghari, Bhaktapur, just 7 kilometers away from Koteshwar, Nepo Industries Pvt. Has been weaving a rich legacy of success in the textile industry for the past 3 decades. It stands proudly as the first in Nepal to embark on logo production.
यो कम्पनी त हाम्रो धेरै पुरानो भइसक्यो, करिब 30 वर्षदेखि यो चलिरहेछ। सुरुमा यो टेक्सटाइलको प्लानिङ नभएर पनि सानो भए पनि बिस्तारै बिस्तारै आएर आजको दिनमा यो कम्प्लिट टेक्सटाइल हुनु चाहिँ पुगेछ। हाम्रो धेरै मेटेरियलहरु त नेपालमै पाइन्छ हैन, अनि कुनै कुनै आइटमहरु इन्डियाबाट अदर कन्ट्रीहरुबाट पनि मगाउँछ।
The journey begins in the weaving department, where imported yarns from India and different parts of Nepal undergo meticulous processing. The process starts with wrapping, ensuring proper alignment and tensioning of threads before moving on the critical stages of drafting and sectional warping. The details of the thread is programmed in the loom card, and the threads are drafted accordingly. In the sectional warping process, each yarn and thread undergoes meticulous manual inspection. Skilled workers carefully examine for any curls or irregularities, ensuring that the threads are well managed and aligned before progressing to the weaving journey. The threads, now ready for the machine, go through the water jet process, producing raw cloth. Swift and efficient, these looms ensure the yarn remains undamaged, with automatic machines correcting any discrepancies. A water jet power loom represents a modern adaptation of the traditional loom and is employed for the weaving process. The combined force of air and water propels the yarn from one side to the opposite, facilitating rapid weaving and resulting in the production of gray fabric. However, this fabric is unsuitable for direct use and requires additional processing to transform it into a wearable and usable material. Following the weaving stage, the produced fabric undergoes a thorough manual inspection to identify any damages. Once the inspection is complete, the fabric is deemed ready for going to the dyeing and printing department. The raw fabric then embarks on its journey to the dyeing department. Fabric is loaded into a dyeing machine with the dye solution. This facilitates the transfer of dye molecules into the fibers, ensuring even and thorough dyeing for high-quality results. After dyeing, the fabric is unloaded, manually untangled, and then dried in a separate machine, completing the transformation into a vibrant and usable fabric.
हामीले प्रत्यक्ष रूपमा 250 जतिलाई हामीले प्रत्यक्ष रूपमा जागिर दिइरहेका छौँ।
The textile dryer is instrumental in removing moisture from the fabric and provides control over shade matching through temperature and speed adjustments.
हाम्रो monthly production भनेको 5 देखि 5.5 लाख मिटरसम्म।
The fabric is then subjected to the calendaring process, creating a shine and smoothness that enhances its quality. Now, it's ready to be transformed into clothing. Simultaneously, textile printing applies color to one side of the fabric using a dye-containing paste, fixed at elevated temperatures. Excess paste is carefully removed through thorough washing with chemicals, preserving the color's vibrancy after repeated washes.
अनि कलर गर्छ कलर गरेर निकाल्छ यसमा हाइड्रो गर्छ के हुन्छ पानी निचर्छ पानी निचरेर यसमा यो हाइड्रोमा पानी निचरेर त्यहाँ लगेर सुकाउँछ त्यहाँ लगेर सुकाउँछ यो पर्दा हो पिस बनाएर यसलाई चाहिँ फेरि केमिकल हालेर यसलाई सुकाउँछ मीटिंग पर्दा भन्छ है
हाम्रो सानो मेन भनेको यही हो एक दुईवटा युनिटहरु हाम्रो एक्स्ट्रा पनि छ हैन यहाँ काठमाडौँमा पनि छ हैन बाहिर पनि छ हैन त्यहाँबाट हामीले यो कपडा कलेक्सन गर्ने काम हैन त्यहाँबाट
The grading department inspects and assesses the quality of the fabric produced during the manufacturing process. Trained employees examine the fabric for defects, color accuracy, inconsistencies, or imperfection. Once the fabric has been graded, it moves to the packaging department where it is prepared for the final outcome. The graded fabric is bundled according to specification.
हाम्रो चाहिँ मेन प्रोडक्ट भनेको सर्टिङ सुटिङ कटन्स फर्निशिङ आइटम टाई लोगो योहरू हाम्रो मेन प्रोडक्ट
The dispatch team organizes the bundle based on orders and prepares them for dispatch.
नेपाल सरकारबाट त्यस्तो जुन अहिलेको स्थितिमा जुन खास गरी टेक्सटाइललाई जुन नजरले हेर्नु पर्ने हैन त्यो नजरले हेरिरहेको छैन अब टेक्सटाइलहरु त्यही कारणले गभर्नमेन्ट पोलिसीले नै गर्दा टेक्सटाइलहरुको आज धेरै दयनीय पोजिसनमा आइसकेको छ अब कपडा जस्तो उद्योग नेपालमा दिनानुदिन बन्द नै भइरहेको छ अब 250बाट 2वटा 4वटामा अहिले आइसकेको छ तर कपडाको डिमान्ड त छँदैछ मान्छेले त कपडा लगाउने पहिला एक जोडीले काम हुन्थ्यो अहिले 10 जोडीले पनि कम भइरहेको छ त्यही पनि कपडा उद्योगहरु बन्द हुनुको मेन कारण चाहिँ गभर्नमेन्ट पोलिसी नै